Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, today we are going to discuss how we can take a screenshot in Puppeteer. So in the screen guys, you can see the code for launching the browser. We'll copy it. We'll create one file inside the test folder. We'll write take screenshot.js file so that we can use the same code. I'll delete this. I just need to launch the browser and take the screenshot, and I'll delete all the slow motion and dev tools too. So I need headless equal to false. I'll write here my first screenshot through Puppeteer. Now I'll save it. Now let us see what is there in the screenshot function. If I space dot screenshot, it will show me what are the functions options available in screenshot. Let us click this function. It will open the type.d.ts. In this we have an argument called options. Let us see screenshot options. We have different options here guys. So first the type. By default it will be PNG, and you can give JPEG also. Then the path, what is the path you have to specify. I've already created one folder images. So inside that it is empty. So in this images we'll save a screenshot. So third option is a full page. You want the full page image or not? It's a boolean value. Fourth option is a clip. Clip is an object which specifies the clipping region of the page. If you want to clip the screenshot to a particular X and Y location, you can use clip. Quality, it will be a high quality or low quality based on the number. And omit background, if you want to use this option, it will omit background and takes the boolean value. And now comes encoding. Base 64 binary, the default value will be binary. And also if you want to capture beyond the viewpoint, so if you want the screenshot bigger than the viewpoint, default equal to true. So if you want to capture this beyond the viewpoint, you can use true or false. So let us use one of the few options available here. So I will not close this type.d.ts. Before launching the browser, I'll use one variable screenshot options, and I'll open bracket close bracket of here, so that this variable can be passed as an argument of this function. I'll use await here, and I'll use, after taking the screenshot, I have to close the browser. So I'll write browser dot close. Now what will the first type? So if you are not giving the type, it will be default will be PNG. Let us save this file as JPEG in the screenshot options. So I'll remove this question mark. I'll remove this PNG. I'll give JPEG because by default will be PNG. Let me try with JPEG. Now we'll use the path. So path will be given a second argument. So let me remove this question mark, and instead of string I have to give the string. I'll give the image path. So if I go to the top here, I want this path, so I'll be writing images slash, under this folder I want my image to be saved as I'm launching the Google website. So I'll just write google.jpeg. So let us see the third argument. So full page, it's a boolean value, will give true. Let us take this argument. Let us take the options of full page, and I'll give here true, and not a semicolon here, it should be a comma, and here also it should be a comma. Now let us take a fourth one. So clip, I don't need a screenshot clip. So quality I need, I'll take this one. Quality, I need the highest quality. So I'll write 100, and I'll remove this. I'll take comma, and then after I'll take this one, omic background. It's a boolean value. So I'll copy this, I'll paste it here. I'll write true and remove this question mark. So after that, we don't need encoding and we don't need capture beyond viewpoint. If you want, you guys can practice that. So I'll save this. I'll pass screenshot option as a parameter for the screenshot method. So let me run this. Before running it, I don't want to run the entire test folder. So for now, I'll close this. I don't want to run all the test folder. I just want to run the test screenshot.js. So what, I'll open the package.json. I'll write take screenshot.js file. I'll save this. Now I'll run npm test. As soon as it launches the browser, it will take the screenshot. Now the browser is launched. Now it got closed, and we have the test got passed. So inside images, you can see google.jpg. If I click on this, so it has captured the Google website. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you are a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.